Am I in love with this outfit? No, but I think it will work just fine. I feel like I just saw some socks. I'm also sad we're gonna need to bring a jacket because it is now starting to get colder. It's not gonna be too bad tonight, but if I have no jacket, I'm gonna be sad. And if we remember, I do get a little cranky when it's cold. Like some people get cranky when they're hungry. When it's too cold, I get cranky. Vibe, I wish I had that new earring. It would be such a slay. This, or I think we're gonna do domino. Yay, we're ready, let's go. Oh, これも? Okay, Hiro-Chan, introduce yourself.
I'm music tour guide.
Yes.
I have guided once to metalcore show. Usually I go to metalcore, but today a lot of idol and girls band. She looks like idol.
Oh, yeah.
Now we go to the venue, famous venue called Shelter.
Shelter?
Shelter
venue.
is used in anime called Bocce the Rock.
Bocce the Rock! Yeah. I'm so excited. めっちゃ好き、Bocce the Rock。アニメ。
とても好きね。
とっても好き。今日は初めてここに。
今日はね、初めて、いつもね、外国の人連れてくるけど、シェルターはすごい有名なバンドがいっぱい。Usually Shelter has a lot of punk rock and alternative music.
Rock. Wow, すごい。Okay. That was really fun. We're headed home. Originally, me and my friend were gonna get, actually we're this way. Me and my friend were gonna get dinner, but I could tell like his guy friends were all like, oh, let's all hang out. And I could tell it was not girl time, you know? It was like a guy's dinner, and I was like, I'm gonna take my cue. I really don't mind heading out because I was getting tired near the end there. So basically, I can tell y'all more about this at home. But usually the ticket, this was a festival, not a usual show. So I saw like 8 different bands. When in usual system, it would have been like 1 or 2 bands for that same price. So we were trying to make it worth it, you know? But it was worth it because, again, usually it's like 2,000 to 5,000 yen for one show, which has maybe 3 in total bands. This one, if you went all day, you would have spent the same amount as I did, and I only went for half a day. So what a 10 out of 10 day. Honestly, did some of my favorite things ever, which is look at fashion, try on fashion, and then go to some concerts. Last time when I lived here, I fell in love with the underground concert scene here, and it's actually ridiculous that it's taken me 6 months of living here again to have gone to a new show. So I really thoroughly enjoyed that. So I just grabbed some food because I do go grocery shopping tomorrow, and the food that I have left, I don't know if I can make a full meal, so I got some bread, so just in case I can make some grilled cheese at least. I had Hiro talk. He was like, oh yeah, like I don't mind at all. So we mainly talk in Japanese, especially because he knows that I like to practice, so we mainly talk in Japanese, but as y'all could see, he speaks some English too. And by that also, he's really good at English. So sweet. He is older, he's married, he has a daughter. His daughter is studying to become a manga artist, which is really cool. And when I used to live here, I booked him through Airbnb to do like a tour guide situation of looking at the underground scene, but we ended up becoming pretty good friends. Hung out like 4 times, seeing different shows, and one time just like hanging out. But I don't know, like of course I keep my guard up because I mean, with any man, I have to keep your guard up, but genuinely, he is very sweet. Like, if you've never been to a metal concert before, they get a little rowdy sometimes, and he's like very kind. Like, you can tell like he's blocking like people from hitting you, but he's not like touching you in a weird way. But I'll definitely be putting his little info on the screen every now and then when he talks and when we talk about it. But yes, you should definitely book. If anyone's gonna show you around, it's him. He's very kind, he knows everybody. The last time, he introduced me to like some of the band members today, but when he gives his tours, he's like, he knows some of the band members. So you get to meet some of the band members sometimes, and he just like knows his shit and like really curious around the type of music you like. Like me and him always talk about how we really like the more hardcore metal scene, and he likes more idols than I like. I don't mind idols at all, but he likes more idols for sure. But oh my gosh, I just got home, my ears are like ringing from it being so loud. Second to last venue we went to was the same one that Bocchi the Rock is based off of. Shelter venue. I didn't know it was in Shimo, so that's pretty sick. Ears are ringing and I'm very hungry, so I am gonna let y'all go. So for spending the day with me, I hope we all enjoyed. I have some very fun things planned for the next 2 weeks. A lot of studying. I am going to buckle down and study because I pay for my JLPT test. I'm taking N3 this summer, I decided. Gosh, my hands are so cold. They're so red. I'm gonna be buying some study material this weekend. I'm really putting it on my calendar. All right, on that note, I'm gonna let y'all go. Everyone have a good one. Matane.